na nkethi cia muthenya mutegeri wa Meru TV na betikire nkuwatwe ni kirindeto cia Meru TV muthenya wa mbita muthoni wa KIRIAMANA mitandaone yetu ya ukinyaniria tu ya Facebook na kinya YouTube Meru TV Kenya tuthiatire kenda wetana mbere na kumba kuthiro kithoma na kumenyera yo karika kaunti ya Meru ome ya Meru na kinya thiguru ni yetu yonthe ya Kenya njuma ni ya tariki 20 na muwanja cha mweri wa ili mwakene yoturi yo ngirili 2026 aringi biashara abairabu kuma kaunti ya Meru yoro ibaguthite musemanio antere cha kirwe na rwangi rwa wende bonchobi na kinya rwangi rokaria akenda kwarire na kumenya mathina kathomba jarabethirite abayikulukira thokone yo untubwa mbere burabarombere kwethera betariria ibakiwa nchobi ndegende watho nithirite twikite kinyamara kibo ningi nontu barabomendia ni antu batina barwa cha kwendia nchobi riboti mwandiki wetu wa NTETO mwende olaibuni.
Biashara na barani enemba kaunti ya Meru na rietu ambarita ni bachumirite kwariria mathina kathomba yara yarumirite biashara cio uria kurana nchobi ndegene watho
tukuthithia mucemanio na ara sendi etimau Buri West na twetikaniria mantu jojonthe na togwa nchobi ndege wankana ndi uni ndi chairman anguwa nchobi yonthe irenda kwithwa gikwatagwa na muntu wonthe oroti na utikwendia kuringana na sheria batu turekiama tutemunga mukono nondo nchobi cia traditional cionthe turegete na sheria yetu itigwitikiria
ukara micemanio mbere ma kwenda ku sensitize more of our customers twambiritie bure tubangite tukiama tugeta ino sub counties tukiarairie members tubere umwimbo wa gutonya king group na urabombo ita the legit business jayo yetu ya stare twimenya ne thirikari ita a lot of revenue tugwita twagwatanira twauma ruterero atimau tukatana na SPD, OCS, tukari na liquor licensing officer na members na baumira kwa wingi na bako gwatambaru mantu jatu kwa raia. Mono members bakulira kwina nchobi kwendwire ndege watho. Mono kwina this second generation kwina illicit brews na nyako ina changa
ndomo gikundi giki kiambarita itwethera twina misemanio just like o tukara musemanio narua itwonete bwina gitumi tusemania nikenda tukaria mantu jara yegie ngugi yetu tutegete twana kwina challenges especially ojao secretary general na the chairman bauga igukirite illicit brews kwina mugacha kwina kanga kwina changa na ingi ira tutikumenya ikaenda pinya isietara na irua na bauna skwa karajabo bakwa na bara bakugirwa ibakwewa na ara o menso bikae wantu bateagirite na bakae wananjirere ati iteagirite twoni tubati gucemania na twacemania twaria mantu je na gitumi jara tukona yagokiria ngugi cietu tutienda ngugi cietu ikara ikithuka
kuluki barua bakawatanira na thirikari ya kaunti ya Meru rwangiro nchobi na nikenda kuthiria nchobi yetu ikite wati
na twikiama tugwatanite na CEO wetu Mr. Gitonga Walika ndene Meru na kiama kiao kionde na toga nyeto itaniria ngugi na thirikari ya mukathe reverend governor wetu Muthoni sorry na tumutetherie kenda yetu yomba kwithwa county ire kuita biashara ire ibaterie
turita tukwatanite na thirikari na county government na officers bonde na antu baerothi bonde nuntu bwa gutheru nikenda batu barato dene kiama kiambarita tuketho tugita ngugi njega
na Jacobo Botiani
mostly no tugeja aja turi mbae akiro kitambo lakini ukoona ntukone tonisha turija kana akanda megeko akwina biashara yeku na no tumirite millions of money to put up or to come up with that business tukunya thirikari yongwa nuntu ibaije kinia mantu jau ibatagaira bona MBA jire mbere lakini tukurega tukuira members betu bakaka irabu akwina sukuru kana akwa makanisa okay ya kendu kiembethe tugwatanira na liquor bond mbere maja barita tukwenda form group ere kuga we drink responsibly
ni musemanio ukinyene sisi wa Boris sub county mbaisi kihima arakiaria kwari tayari kuwatanira na ikundi kena nikenda kurwa na wagage bonchobi bure
tumekubaliana kama serikali kuu county government na baonas barita that sisi tutafanya kazi kama nyumba 10 vile nyumba 10 inafanya kazi that sasa watu wa baonas wenyewe watajitolea tufanye kazi pamoja kwa sababu tumegundua kuna wale ambao wanauza zile vitu ambazo hazitakikani na hiyo inadhuru pia biashara ya watu wengine sababu so for us ile kitu ambayo tunafanya tu leo we just want to create a very healthy and sustainable environment ya biashara na ile kitu iko kabla sijamalizia yangu ni kutoa ilani kwa sababu wale watu ambao wanauza chang'aa majina yao tumepata, na ile kitu tunawaambia tu wakae wakijua ni siku zao zimehesabika, na kama ni hao watubu. Kama kuna mahali tuna uhakika na tumepata kuwa huyo mtu mwenye anauzia under 18s, what we are saying, we want a full report, watu wakuja wa report so that we can take necessary action against it.
Kiripotera Meru TV kumabore mbita wa mwende wa Laiboni.
Ibaya muno mwandiki wetu wa NTETO mwendo wa Laiboni no tuboriboti una njira ikinyanilite bamwe baitithe babikibiki akumanterecha igembe century bachumirite na kuriana na ngutu chiethirite chietamba ati ndio bichi ya mubunge wa gishigo mbunge kinithirite ikibatethia na kuritano kwitithia bikibiki mautani ya uthiro ntuburane ndi abotumeta itithe babakwa ni ngutu cha urongo ni otutethia kinyaburiku bomba kwithira bakiona kumakiro bichi ya mubunge kinyanyuma yabo akumba kwithira bakigeria tethekano bichi mwankira nende otiotethu kinyaburi kubethirite bakiona bakiwa yuchi utamba ingutu nderi riboti ya mwandiki wetu wa NTETO Kome Mutia.
Cia mbere ni cia vijana babunda na rira betire na kuthoma na skuru kwe bamwe bendelee na kuthoma boya na bangi nao bateta kirasine bara bendelee kuthoma boya already babwithitikirio na bakona driving license cio bara nabo bateta kirasine baticinyereke kibwitha cua ibo bogu bakiringe sale pamukibo
ni miarieru wa mukaririete wa NGCDF igembe centru Ruben Bario akilikithacia mitaratara yekirwe ni obisia CDF kuthomethia etithi babikibiki mantu ya konionderera bubu na boya license neo iturite okararua ni etithi babikibiki mwena yuegembe centru na rabatongeretwe ni Patrick Yetonga Bariwa ya yonthe mau konde nora usia no te muntu wa bikibiki wana license
na ndatumira ma chairman yetu yonthe ya ma stage na bampa bonde bampere list cia member bonde na uni ndiko yuke list cia member betu bonde inde ikinyithiri mwanko obisi nera ya Igembe Central na mantu akuriaria uni kuma ndere njuki list ya mweri wa kwa December 2024 kuma mwaka 2024 2025 2026 2027 na ntukweru ari until today license ile itoneka ke antu betu abikibiki mantu yundo na yate kubwa na winde mutongeria antu mnyokira antu bakandamiswa mwanka that extent yes. No mwanka mpeane weru ki mantu yara ya kuendelea ku ki sector bikibiki
Wambi bobo etonga ni boangile ne kadavio mutaku no mukaririete wa etethia babikibiki kumanteresia kirango nduro kuwa
ndi kuria excellence ndani kele meake guthire thatu no inteki weterera antu bandreven no PhD bakobwethia meri thatu kaneta thatu utona mbese muntu ngiri kenda ebeta ndreven ankwire excellence ndani kele itara campaign ya kinya na iro de wanje orongo nontore anto babo mbeba kila ngondu ko muntu wata license loi ko muntu wata license
Kiripotera Meru TV kumembe mbita wa Kome wa Mutia.
Ibeya muno mwandiki wetu wa NTETO Kome Mutia kumantere chia eyembe murameri wa MCK kana Media Council of Kenya wijikene ya Mr. Karaja Jackson achumirite na kumba kwithira akiuria andiki bantheto bagete kerotiwa na kurio change ndira mitambo yetete na mbere na kumba kwithira igichange akiwa nende ne itirandiki bantheto bethire baikarante na kuthoma amantu jegie mutandao yo mweru yo AI kenda yumba kwithira yukibatethiri kinyakire wandiki bwa NTETO ine ntumwa yumbet kwithire gitumwa ani murwamiri wa MCK Jackson Karaja rutere rwa Mount Kenya.
Jackson Karanja olimo banganya kwa Media Council of Kenya Eastern Region ugete koja kwa AI kante goroni go chenchete oruti wera bwande kibande tong.
AI has come and has really impacted not only the media sector but all facets of life. We've been having a chat. AI has impacted education, has impacted every other facet and profession that is there in this, not only in this Kenya, but across the globe.
Aga kuri ande kibande to kwerutana gotomera yae batikanye kuriganira gwera yago.
It is down to us as journalists to sit back and ask ourselves, how do we take advantage of the advancements in technology through AI to improve our working? Let us also remember that AI has not come to replace the works that human beings are doing. It is down to us as human beings, and now in this case journalists, to take advantage of the platforms to improve our relay of information, improve and even our dissemination of information. So it is us to sit back and ask ourselves, how do we take advantage of these advancements to improve our work as journalists? Beseech and call upon journalists, media practitioners, and even media workers working across the country to continue conducting themselves with integrity, professionalism, and even responsibility in relay of information. It is important that we as journalists ensure that our reporting is guided by the code of conduct for media practice, and above all, ensure that we do not relay information that is not ethical and information that has not been actually fact-checked, because there are a lot of information that are going around. So it is important for we as journalists to always ensure that we verify information before we relay it to the members of the public.
So they need to know that these are days of media transformation. We have what used to have as traditional media, which we always used to think that somebody has to be seated somewhere, listening to news, maybe from a radio or from a TV. But these are days where there is digital transformation that has actually encroached on the media practice. And therefore, this has created more opportunities for the young and generation, and especially the Gen Z.
Ibe ya muno mwandiki wetu wa NTETO Ndagara Waiguna Hassan Omar Hassan ura ni Secretary General wa kiama kia UDA na atongere bange ba kiama kia UDA ibachumirite no chokeria nkatho antu bara betherete bakibaringira kura kirithurano biretete na mbere bya kiama kia UDA kaite no kau nonekete amenerete anene atongere barutere regani ni thirikari na muno atongere ba kiama kia DCP batongere tuniritinga Gachagua bakiwa utekyo baina kyo kia kuguna akenya riboti mwandiki wetu wa NTETO Jeff Wagituma.
The United Democratic Alliance, UDA, its leadership, President William Samoei Ruto, its deputy leadership, His Excellency the Fire, takes this early opportunity to thank and congratulate all Kenyans who turned out yesterday, 26th February 2026, to exercise their cardinal democratic right to elect their leaders. They have bestowed trust and confidence in UDA and our candidates by voting them into office in a victory most decisive, most resounding, and politically domineering over other rudderless political formations. And you do realize, in November I was here again, we scored 17 out of 24 victories as the broad-based. Today, 4 out of 4. Lakini munakaa kwa social media mukijiambia iko kitu nyingine. Therefore, we warmly welcome and congratulate Honorable Tubi Mohamed Tubi for a decisive victory in Isiolo South Parliamentary seat, alongside Elifas Kanainga Njiru, Honorable Duncan Muratia Nyaga, and Honorable Peterson Njeru for their decisive victories in West Kabras, Evrore, and Muminji wards, respectively. I mean Shakalacha, Elfas Kainanga Shalacha, Honorable Duncan Muratia Nyaga, and Honorable Peterson Njeru for their victories in West Kabras, Evrore, and Muminji wards, respectively. And these are diverse parts of Kenya. Wajua Kalonzo akikuwa na by-election anasimamisha Ukambani peke yake, sio? Sisi we run everywhere. This clean sweep across the board in all elective seats on offer stands as a powerful testimony of immense trust Kenyans continue to repose in the UDA party, its party leader, his deputy, and his deputy. It equally reflects a clear departure in the minds of voters towards narratives that genuinely promise transformation of livelihoods and communities, as opposed to the disjointed opposition, hot air policies, which is riddled with discursive emptiness. The voters are emphatically rejecting politics, whose currency remains hollow microphone gymnastics, noise without substance, and rhetoric without responsibility, often designed to stoke emotions and ethnic divisions rather than offer solutions. The Kenyan message emerging from the just concluded by-elections speaks unmistakably to the growing public faith in the implementation of the manifesto, the plan, and the party leaders' transformational agenda aimed at uplifting Kenya from the third world status to first world prosperity, the Singapore-style development trajectory. Alafu wengine wenu mnafikiria ni Singapore nchi, Singapore mindset. Need to change your mindset. If you believe you have a certain poor mindset, it never changes. Singapore is a mindset. It is not just a physical structure. It's about moving ourselves from thinking big. Nawaona watu kama kina Wamunyoro wanafikiria kwenda Singapore ni kuchukua ndege.
Sana mutegeri wa Meru TV no tubo tuthiatira kinteto chia Meru TV muthenya wa mbita muthoni wa KIRIAMANA nkurikani wete na mbere na ututhiatira na mnokire mitandao yetu yo kinyanire Facebook na kinya YouTube Meru TV Kenya amara kinya tuthiatira kiri signet na pang Meru TV kenda wete na mbere na kukwata NTETO warachi utunduka na mibango kathomba ira tukubanganiriti au kiri Meru TV rwa rentu kya njumari kana uringa kiumia na ukiambirire weekend na mburembo guto Empress Susi bari na ndani the kire mubango jwa tetemesha.